Welcome to the Properties of Matter pH Video Lab activity. If you have not completed the pre-lab review section on your lab report, pause the video and complete it now. When you're ready, start the video again. Properties of matter can be physical properties or chemical properties, as shown in these images. But how do liquids figure into this? How can we test liquids for physical and chemical properties? It's never a good idea to drink an unknown liquid. So how do we do this? Well, that's where pH comes into play. The pH of liquids ranges from 0 to 14. As you can see on this scale, they can be very acidic, which is sour, or they can be very alkaline or basic, which is bitter. And we test the pH of liquids using universal indicators. For part 1 of our activity, we will be testing the pH of 6 common household liquids, as you can see here in the image, and we'll be testing them with the universal indicator. But first, before we start, you need to complete the Part 1 questions on your lab report that you can see here in these images. Pause the video, complete this first section, and when you're ready, start the video again. So here we go for Part 1. You know what the 6 common household liquids are: baking soda, diluted ammonia, grape juice, lemon juice, saline solution, and regular water. But what you don't know is what order I am going to test them in the video here. As you can see, my bottles are numbered 1 through 6, but I have them covered up so you don't know what they are. And what I'm doing is I'm filling each well up about halfway with each liquid. After I get them filled, then we'll move on to the pH indicator. All right, so here comes number 6, and after I fill up the last well, I will use the indicator, and I'm going to put about 4 drops into each well, and you'll notice that the liquids will change colors. The colors will indicate the pH of that particular liquid. How close will your predictions be? Well, let's wait and see. The liquids are in order from left to right, from most acidic to most alkaline. And here comes the order of what they are. How did you do? Pause the video so you can complete the Part 1 analysis diagram. And when you're ready, start the video again for Part 2. Part 2 is going to be a little bit different. We're still using liquid. It's a baking soda and water solution. And as you can see, I have some yellow goldenrod paper there, and the paper has been coated with an indicator. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the baking soda solution on my hand, and then I'm going to slap my hand down on the goldenrod paper to cause a reaction. But again, before we do that, you need to complete the hypothesis under Part 2 questions first. So pause the video, make your hypothesis, and when you're ready, start the video again. I'm spraying the baking soda solution onto my hand, and notice that I'm spraying it over a towel and not near the paper because we don't want to spray any on the paper. I'm pumping it about 20 times, splat. My hand goes down on the paper, and let's see what happens. And now it's time to finish your lab report. Good luck.